Hello, all wonderful folks. Namaskaram. Welcome to Agile Mystics. Friends, today I'm going to talk about how the degree of our understanding of design patterns of this creation, how our level of understanding of basic building blocks of this creation is redefining how we engineer our software. It is redefining how we develop and deliver software. I would like to talk about two fundamental principles uh, upon which this creation operates. Number one, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, which states that the position and the velocity of an elementary particle cannot both be measured exactly at the same time, even in theory. The very concept of exact position and exact velocity together in fact have no meaning in nature. Number two, duality principle, which states that light exhibit properties of both wave and of particles. It satisfies certain models as wave and certain models as particles. Both holds true, but both are incomplete at the same time. And science accepts it the way it is. Hence, reality cannot be gauged with a single viewpoint, and we might need multiple viewpoints to gauge the reality. It's very important to understand. And as a community, as a human community as a whole, as we are developing these kind of understandings and coming onto the common platform and share information, it is, I see, I observe, it is redefining the way we work together, the way we live together. And from this understanding, I would like to derive my own heuristics about software engineering as I see it today. From the above two mentioned principles, I would say the very fabric of creation is woven with uncertainty and duality. But still, if we seek certainty instead of developing capabilities to ride uncertainty, still if we seek certainty and absolute accuracy in only one viewpoint, then that's our folly. A degree of alignment with design patterns of this creation and synchronization with the process of Mother Nature defines how proficient and efficient we are in our ways of working and living together. Awareness and acceptance of such fundamental principles and laws marks the beginning of our journey from project to product. Because as unlike project, product begins with the humbleness by accepting the fact that we do not know. We do not know the risk, the scope, the timeline, budget needed, and hence empirical approach and preference for profit center over cost center. This is the shift is happening in the industry from project to product. Number two, this marks our journey from waterfall to agile. This humbleness that we do not know marks our journey from waterfall to agile. This marks our journey from specialized groups and component teams towards cross-functional and feature teams. This also marks the beginning of our journey from command and control operating model to servant leadership model, from structure oriented programming to object oriented programming to aspect oriented programming and microservices and cloud towards infrastructure and configuration as code. This marks our fabulous journey from component teams, dev only, dev specific team separation from dev and ops to DevOps and SRE team constructs. It enhances our understanding, accepting the fact that failure is normal and this world is full of non-linear equations. This marks beginning of a journey, a fabulous journey towards systems thinking. So friends, a basic ability and more important fact is getting that transparency, because in past many a times it has happened that one field one field scientists working in one field, they might have explored something but they didn't have necessary ecosystem in their knowledge. However, contemporary, in during the same time period, there was some other research was going on, and that material or that ecosystem was available, but it was not in their knowledge. This happened many times in past, that a physicist required some chemical for his experiment or to prove his or her research, but that chemical, the substance was not available to him or her. However, in the meantime, there was some research that was going on and some chemists were working on, and they invented some material, some chemical, but both the parties were not aware of the requirement of each other. Now, for the first time, because of this digital age, this era of knowledge, more and more things are visible. Instantly, we get to know. We can search. We are all on the same knowledge platform. Information is at our fingertips, and because of this, we see drastic shift in our level of understanding and knowledge base. And as a group, we are all contributing and getting benefited as well. This is, I must say, a golden period, a very interesting time for all of us, all of knowledge workers. So friends, keep an eye, keep sharing knowledge, because sharing is caring and growing together. Thank you so much for watching me. If you really like my videos, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you so much. Namaskar.